And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Nokia C12. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just restart Bluetooth connection. So if you have this function activated, switch it off and switch it on again to restart Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and choose restart. So maybe and volume up, yes, and choose restart, so power and volume up. After the restarts, I know it's a little bit obvious, but sometimes it really works. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. How to activate pair mode, you will find the manual to the device maybe on your YouTube channel, so check it. In most devices the pair mode is starting automatically. Sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds, for example, or just tap the button for 3 times. You have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode and it should be visible for the devices but still not on your phone, just go to the settings, slide down to the system and go to the reset options. You can see that you have a Bluetooth included, so tap on it and choose reset settings. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. The next tip from me, check your system updates. So go to the system, tap on the system update, and if you have any update available, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory on your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and comment, and good luck with the pairing. Goodbye.